Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am absolutely ecstatic to be bringing you this video today. Once again, I've managed to find a new method on how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026, requires no PC and no Discord. This is a Animal Company promo code that's going to unlock the secret developer mod menu, guys. So this is an already built-in mod menu that the developers use to test the game and stuff, and this is going to give you tons of features like long arms, unlimited points, research points. You can even get unlimited company coins, spawn RPGs, items. And yeah, this is no third-party application. Most of the Animal Company mods, when you search for them, require you to join Discord servers, install random things, and yeah, this method is going to get you a developer mod menu, guys. So this is Animal Company mods, and it's available right now using a code. So you redeem the code in your Animal Company game. So what you need to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. And actually, before I get into it, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always working to find new updates. These methods work after patch. So like I said, use your mobile phone. This is a no PC method and no Discord. So use your internet browser on your phone and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second here so you can copy that down. And if you go to Crash Coupons, you're going to be seeing loads of different pages here, guys. So what you need to do is navigate your way to the Animal Company codes page. So I'm just using the search bar and typing in Animal Company, and it's going to bring you to this promo codes page, guys. Now, what you need to do is essentially look for the mod menu code. So here we go, get the mod menu for free in Animal Company. And like I said, guys, this is the fastest and easiest method, and it is 100% working in 2026 because it is just a promo code that you can enter into the Animal Company redeem code part of the computer, and it is going to unlock a mod menu that already exists for the developers, and this gives you access to it. So because these are limited codes, guys, you do need to unlock your Animal Company promo code. This basically prevents people stealing all of the codes. It does mean you can only do this once. So to get your mod menu code, you've got to click on this button and follow the instructions on this screen here. It's pretty easy. It will take you about 5 minutes. I have already done this, so I won't do it again. But basically, you just need to follow the instructions and read this, guys. Just complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code and follow the instructions. So basically, you need to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this screen. They're always going to be completely free, but they do take about 5 minutes to complete. Just choose 2 of them. Follow the instructions. Oops, I've accidentally clicked one there. But just follow the instructions to fully complete any 2 of those. And if you do that, it's going to send you back to this page, and your Animal Company promo code for your mods will be revealed. So you literally grab the code from the box, redeem it in the Animal Company computer in-game, and that is going to unlock the mod menu and give you tons of awesome features. So this works in 2026. Like I said, no PC and no Discord, so I believe it's the best method, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and just find the Animal Company page, guys, and just scroll down, select the mod menu. Very important you unlock your promo code, so follow the instructions. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.